engage both parking brakes, and swing the footrests out of the way. Bring the transfer lift in slowly and align the user with the center of the seat. Lower the lift until the user is seated fully back against the cushion. Keep the wheelchair stable while removing the lift support sections. Then move the lift away. Return the footrest to position. Place both feet securely on the foot plates. Finish by checking the user's posture and making sure every support is secure before releasing the brakes. Next is our outdoor road test. We begin on textured brick pavers to see how the front casters and rear wheels handle uneven joints. On smooth asphalt, the large rear wheels and hand rims allow the user to move and turn independently. When assistance is needed, a caregiver can take control from behind and push at a comfortable pace. Slow down before surface changes, drainage grates, curbs, or uneven areas, and always choose a safe, accessible route. Now for the ramp test. With caregiver assistance, the wheelchair moves up a gentle incline in a steady, controlled manner. When both brakes are engaged, the rear wheels hold securely without rolling on the test ramp. Release the brakes, keep the chair straight, and proceed slowly. Always assess the slope and surface before use. For transport or storage, remove the footrests first. Pull up from the center of the seat to close the frame. Then use the backrest release levers to fold the push handles down, creating a compact profile for storage or travel. Finally, a closer look at the details. The armrests offer multiple height positions for a more comfortable fit. Caregiver hand brakes help control speed while pushing, while the side parking brakes secure the rear wheels during stops and transfers. The folding backrest release also lowers the chair's profile for easier storage and transport.